Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pratyusha, Senior Consultant at Ignatos Dental Care. Today we'll run through a topic, a basic questions what my patients ask at my OPD. Can mouthwash be used on a daily basis and which mouthwash to be used? So today we will get through what is a mouthwash, how to use it, when to use it and what are the harmful effects of it. Usually, this mouthwash is advised for a certain period of time by your doctors for certain dental diseases only. Potassium nitrate mouthwash can be used for sensitivity. Patients who are at high risk of dental caries, we usually prescribe fluoride based mouthwash. Patients who have dry mouth, we give a xylitol based mouthwash. Patients who have recently undergone gum surgeries for gum diseases or any surgical procedures, we give antiseptic mouthwash. Patients who are already having some underlying medical conditions because of which they'll be having burning mouth syndrome. For them, we usually give lignocaine based mouthwash. How to use a mouthwash? It can be used twice daily, concentrated or diluted. But the golden rule to use mouthwashes has to be used 30 minutes after your brushing. Now, coming on to harmful effects of mouthwash. Using mouthwash on a daily basis can mask the underlying dental diseases like chronic bad breath could be because of gum diseases. Frequent food lodgement between the tooth could be because of dental caries. These above treatments could have been done appropriately at an earlier stages if you should have not delayed with your mouthwash. The microbiome of the oral cavity is usually disrupted by usage of your mouthwash on a regular basis. It kills the useful bacteria which is helpful for your digestion. Alcohol based mouthwash causes dryness of mouth. So I conclude by saying that mouthwash is not a substitute. It is a supplement to your daily brushing habits. Thank you.